Okay, I'm just going to show you how to do a really quick method of outlining text in Adobe InDesign CS6. The reason we outline text is because if we were to save this as a PDF, just as is, this is a CV that I'm sending to someone, if they were then to open that PDF document on their computer somewhere else and they didn't have these particular fonts that I've used, then their system would substitute the fonts for something else. But I want to keep these exact fonts that I've used so that everything sort of stays in the right place. So in order to do that, we're going to make the all of the text outlined, which just inherently makes it into an image rather than a piece of text. Now be careful when you're doing this, because you want to save before you, if you're making changes, and then you want to save your document and then do the outlining and then close your document, because once you've saved, once you've made everything in outline and then saved it, you're no longer able to go in and edit the text. So just do the outlining of text after you've already saved your document, and then make sure that you don't save upon exiting. Alright, so I have to do each one by page. So I'm going to go to the first page and go, select all, so Control A, and it doesn't matter that it collects all the images. The only thing you need to make sure of is if you have any grouped objects that include text frames, you want to ungroup everything before you go and do this process. So I've selected all, and I'm going to go Type, Create Outlines. And you can see that in some cases it's put a dotted line around it, and in some cases it's just done those, and this just means that this is now an image and no longer a piece of text. So I'm going to go to my second page now, Control A, which is select all, and then our outline. There we go, select all, create outlines, and my last page, edit. Where are we? Create outlines. And then I would go File, Adobe PDF Presets, High Quality Print, and Save. Okay, no need to worry about anything in here, and just export. There is one thing that you have to be wary of though when doing it via this method. Is that anytime you have things like bullet points or underlines on your text, doing the create outlines this way will mean that they actually get removed. So just to give you an example, I'm just going to copy and paste this. I'm going to apply some bullets to this, and then I'm going to create outlines on this particular one. So you can see here it gets rid of the bullets. So to get around that, the way that I actually do it is just using Alt 8. Gives me a bullet point, and then I use the tabbing system. So I select all, go Type and Tabs, and I create the tabs where I need them to be. Oops, that didn't really explain it very well. Let me use this one with the tabs. There we go. So I can put my tabs anywhere I like. So that's how to avoid that scenario. And once that opens up on anyone's computer, all of these fonts will be perfect, and as you've set them out. It also helps to give a bit of security too, because they won't directly be able to select the text straight away unless they were to do some tricky things. Alrighty, hope that helps.